Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav Varma and I am from the Department of Electronics and Communication, Institute of Engineering and Technology, Bundelkhand University, Jhansi. Today we discuss about the topic of introduction of DSP and analog to digital converter. So about the discuss of digital signal processing, we discuss about the analog signal processing. If we have already our analog signal processing, then what we will need of digital signal processing. We have already a analog signal processing system, then what we will need of digital signal processing. So we have the naturally in analog signals, the analog signals are in continuous in time domain. So the processing of analog signal is very complex, and the analog processing system is in a physical structure very large size, and the digital signal processing system in a physical structure very small size, and the ASP analog signal processing systems are not more flexible, and the DSP digital signal processing systems are more flexible, and DSP digital signal processing systems are more programmable and reprogrammable, but ASP are not programmable and reprogrammable, and DSP digital signal processing systems are transportable. We can save and in hard disk and floppy disk, and we can travel it and transport it. So before the we can study about digital signal processing, we can need of digital signal. So how we can convert the analog signal into the digital signal, we can discuss about that firstly. So in the analog to digital converter, firstly we apply the analog signal. So the analog signal continuous in time, and the amplitude of the signal continuous of analog signal, and the time continuous. After the sampling, we obtain the discrete signal. Here we obtain the discrete signal. After the sampling, we take the discrete signal. So the discrete signal after the sampling, we make the discrete signal. So the discrete signal we convert in a small size of packets. So in discrete signal, the amplitude of the signal continuous, but the time discrete. After the sampling, we quantize the signal. So in quantization, we fix the amplitude of the signal. Here we have the more amplitude level of the signal. In quantization, we fix the amplitude of the signal, analog signal. So how we can fix the amplitude of the signal? So here we will discuss about the quantization. If we have a analog signal, the amplitude limit of this analog signal is 3 and minus 3, or this is the after sampling, this is the after this signal is the after the sampling. So here we quantized this signal. If the limit of amplitude is 3 to -3. So if we convert in 2 bit, if n is equal to 2 bit, then the quantization level two power n. If n is bit, and then the quantization level is equal to 2 power n, then 2 power 2 is equal to 4, then the quantization level 4 of this signal, and the size of the quantized signal is x max minus x min upon quantization level. So x max is 3 and then 6 upon 2, 2 3 is 6. So this is the size of the quantization level. Sorry, level is 4, so 1.5. So size of the signal is 1.5. So level 4, first level, second level, third level and fourth level. So if we assume this is 0 0, this is 0 1, this is 1 0 and this is 1 1. So in this amplitude, this is 1.5. If this signal is 1.7, so its nearest we assign its nearest point is 0.5. After that, this signal is 3, they have the 3 amplitude. So this is have the nearest point is 1.5. After that, this is 1.7. So we fix 1.7. After that, this is the signal and the amplitude is minus 1.7. So we fix the nearest signal, nearest point 1.5. After that, this is the minus 3. So we fix minus 3 and then so the resultant quantized signal we have this. So x of t is the signal and quantized signal x a of t. So the value of x of t if 3, then we select 1.5. If the value is 1.5, if the value is 1.7, then we select 1.5. If the value is minus 1.7, then we select minus 1.5, and the value is minus 3, then we select the value is 3, and if the value is 0, then we select nearest point 0. So here we assign the 1 1 coding, here we assign the 1 0 coding, and here we assign the 0 1 coding, and here we assign the 0 0 coding. So this is the quantized signal. After that, we will coding and we have the digital signal. So thank you, and we will discuss about the realization of the system, digital signal processing systems in next lecture. So thank you.